Enough for her to taste it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
What is that?
Keep them out.
What is that?
No,
What is that? Yeah. Oh, look at your mouth.
She shouldn't be like me. I don't think there's nothing she don't like. Say, okay, here's the guy who got me the food.
Say thank you, Papa.
See, this was your idea, huh?
Uh-oh, she's spitting.
One more. One more.
She's
Oh,
she want them.
I
I think Papa just wanted to buy her
Do
first
that.
baby.
did.
Okay. One more.
Yeah, good.
Oh my
Where's that
goodness.
good? That's spot.
Yeah, who's got you, huh?
Boy, she likes that.
The flavor's about it.
Ah, baby.
That flavor must last longer.
Yeah.
Pretty eyes.
Uh-huh. You got beautiful eyes.
Where's that good? She keeps looking at him.
Some big hands.
Uh-huh. Little short hands, little short fingers.